Good morning students. This video is for class 7th and the chapter is 13 lines and angles. So students, you study about the angles in 6th class. So what is angle? An angle is formed by two rays with a same point. It is angle. Now in this we study about the supplementary angle. What is supplementary angle? Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. When two angles is given, if their sum is 180 degree, it is called the supplementary angle. And what is complementary angle? Again, when two angles is given and their sum is 90 degree, it is called the complementary angle. So what's the difference between supplementary and complementary angle? When the sum of two angles is 180 degree, it is called supplementary angle, and when the sum of two angles is 90 degree, it is called the complementary angle. Now what is adjacent angle? When two angles is formed and there is one ray common between the two angles. Here two angle is AOB and BOC. It is a ray that is common in this, that is OB. So it is called the adjacent angle. And what is linear pair of angle? It is made on when the line is straight. Here it is a straight line when two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair of angle if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. Now what is vertically opposite angle? Two angles are called a pair of vertical opposite angle if their arms form two pair of opposite rays. Means that suppose this is 4 rays, now the angle formed is AOC, COB, BOD and AOD. Now suppose if AOC is 40 degree angle, so the BOD is also 40 degree angle, because this is opposite and it is called the vertical opposite angle. Again, if AOD is 60 degree angle, so BOC is also 60 degree angle, because they are also the opposite angle. AOD equals to BOC, this is the vertical opposite angle, so both angles are common. And same it is AOC equals to BOD 40 degree, because these are also vertical opposite angles, so the angles is common. Thank you.